Hello everybody. Today we will discuss about mail merge. Mail merge is a feature provided by MS Word. So let's learn about mail merge. Mail merge is a feature provided by MS Word using which we can send personalized letters to a group of people. It can be used to print report cards, certificates, invitation cards, etc. So it is a very useful feature through which you can generate hundred of report cards within seconds, and it is very effective and useful. Similarly, you can also print your invitation cards or certificates very easily. For this you need two things: data source file from which the data will be extracted and the main document in which data will be merged. Then afterwards merged document will be there. So for example, today we are taking an example of invitation card. If you want to generate an invitation card for your birthday and you want to invite 100 of people, so instead of writing their name and address one by one, you can easily, with the use of mail merge, within seconds you can generate 100 of invitation cards. In this video we are generating 10 invitation cards. So this is the format which we have prepared. Whatever message, common message you want to write, you will write it here. Afterwards we will start the mail merge. For using mail merge, you can see here, this is the mailing tab. So you have to go to mailing tab, and on mailing tabs you can see start mail merge group is here. From here you have to select start mail merge. So I am selecting start mail merge. On this arrow you have to click. When you will click on this arrow, this menu appears. So click on step by step mail merge wizard. As you click here, on the right side you can see this has appeared. So from here, what kind of document are you working on? We will select letters and then see at the corner bottom next step, starting document. Click here, then use the current document because we are using this invitation card only. Then second step, select recipients. From here use an existing list. So here you will browse the file. Click on browse. A window will appear here. Let me rub this much. 1 second. I've rubbed it. Now from here you will select your data file. I have put it on desktop and this is mail merge. Excel file I have selected. Now here you will double click on this file and you can see your file is here. All the information is stored here. For this you have to create your own Excel file. Here I have created Excel file. 10 entries I have given here. Whatever number of entries, like 150, you can write it here. So I'm going back to mail merge wizard. See now. Next step, you will click here, next, write your letter. As you click here, then here you can see write and insert field. I'll highlight it once. You will click here, write and insert field. It's present in the mailing tabs. As you click on write and insert field, here you can see an option insert merge field. So you will click on this option, insert merge field. I am clicking on this option. See, as I click on this arrow, my titles has appeared. Only 4 titles I have included in my Excel sheet. So I want the name to come here. So I will click my cursor here. As I click here, see now, I will click here, arrow, then name. So name is inserted here. Next line, wherever you want to insert, you have to put your cursor there. Then again arrow, then address. Again enter. I'll click on arrow and then city. This we don't need anymore. Dear, you can also insert the name here. So again I'm inserting dear, and here on the arrow, name. Now afterwards, when you have inserted all your fields on the main document, then you will click on preview your letters. See, this is the letter preview. If I hide the preview result, this is this. Now preview result. Now my mail is completed, my merge is complete. I will click on this merge, complete the merge. Finish and merge. You will click here. Then edit individual document. I will click here. It's asking all because I want to print all the documents. Then I'll click on OK. As I click on OK, see, now my new file is created in which all the entries have come here. First letter is to Anshu. Then second entry to Gaurav, Raipur. to Neeta. See all the 10 documents I created here, because in this Excel file I have created 10 entries. See Anshu, Gaurav, Neeta, Smiti, Munish, Anuj, Sandeep, Suresh, Geeta and Meenu. So here in my merged document I can see the letter is same, only the name and address is changed. So in this way you can merge your document. Afterwards you can print them easily. So this is the process of mail merge, which is very easy. So you can use it to generate report cards, invitation cards, certificates, etc. So it is very useful, so must try. Okay, thank you.